Hi, this is William Daroff, the Chief Executive Officer of the Conference of Presidents of Major American Jewish Organizations. Thank you so much to the American Sephardic Federation for bringing us together today for this very impactful session on inspiring unity through diversity. My good friends, David Dangor, President, and Jason Guberman, Executive Director, are to be commended for continuing to push the envelope as ASF strives forward. At the Conference of Presidents, we work with organizations that span the ideological and religious spectrum of Jewish life across America. We do not always agree, but we are united by far more than what divides us. As Jews, we face many important challenges, including the rise of anti-Semitism, the delegitimization of Israel, and threats to the U.S.-Israel relationship. Because these issues that we face are so complex, the diverse voices of the Jewish community add important perspectives. The Conference of Presidents brings these voices together to build consensus on key issues of concern to our community. It is inspiring to watch the evolution of the legacy organizations, as well as the growth of new Jewish institutions, giving voice to those who were previously underrepresented. New organizations supporting Mizrahi Jews, Jews of color, and LGBTQ Jews have thrived. Together, we work hard to redefine what it means to be American Jews, and to do this, we must cherish and celebrate the vast mosaic of backgrounds that make up our community. The diversity of the American Jewish community is one of our core strengths. The motto of the Conference of Presidents, in fact, is strength through unity, and one of the sources of our strength is the diversity of our member organizations. Diversity does not just confer strength, it confers legitimacy. When we acknowledge and unify through our diversity, celebrating our diversity, there is no challenge to which we cannot rise. We share a common responsibility to our fellow Jews. We share a dedication to Israel, and we unite against all those who espouse and practice anti-Semitism. As we mark Jewish American Heritage Month this month, let us celebrate the accomplishments of American Jewry and the rich tapestry of our community. Thank you very much.